information has already been given about macro flip-flop in the second part of the video about variables, but here I'll tell you a bit more about flip-flop. As was shown in the second part about variables, flip-flop is flow control and macro, which switches between two nodes. And do not think that the choice is limited only by two nodes. As has been shown in that video about variables, just add more flip-flop nodes. There's also one more method for connecting more nodes. Double-click flip-flop and change its properties, but it will be much more easier to simply add more flip-flop nodes. So let's start. Add a type of lighting, for example, point light. Pick it and put on your scene. Very important thing, don't pick any other object yet. Reduce light intensity to 0. Open level blueprint. Here we usually add nodes for specific level. Now create nodes. Also the most important thing to understand for us is why do we need data pin. Let's add event keyboard C. Add flip-flop. Press right mouse of the button and pick create a reference. It will give a reference to the object and we can do with it anything using our nodes. Pick set intensity. With this node we can change the brightness of the object. By holding left mouse button on data pin, move your cursor a bit further. Release the button, type multiplication sign and pick multiply. But conversion didn't get created automatically, so we need to do it manually. Without conversion, you can't connect any nodes. Enter value, something like this. Now, when we press the button C, the lighting turns on and turns off. The example is practical and you can add such nodes for turning on or off any lighting in game or a quiz. Thank you for your attention and until next chapter in Unreal Engine Encyclopedia.